So now let's quickly implement that toggle button. So after the login sign up button, we can add here add a comment toggle button, and the first one we have is text login. And then what we can do is after the login we have the register. In between them we are going to add a switch statement. The value of which will be depend on the basis of if the user wants to log in. So does user wants to log in, you already know that if it is true, it simply means we will see register, that is we will be on the register form, or you can say sign up. Sign up is the correct word for it. Okay, so if the user wants to sign up, then we will be on the sign up form, and if the user do not want to sign up, we will be on the login form. You know that in case of login this has false value, and in case of sign up it has true value. And now we can play around the value of this boolean type variable, which simply means when the user tap on it, its value will be changes. So we can say boolean value, and we will assign that value to the does user want to sign up, which simply means that let's say if it is true, we are seeing the sign up form. Okay, if it is true, we are seeing the sign up form if the value is true. Now let's say the user click on the toggle button, then that value will be changed to false, and false will be assigned to this. So when the value is false, then in that case we will see login. Then again the user tap, the value will be changed to true, true will be assigned to this. So you know that when the value is true, we will see sign up form. Now let's test the application. You can see that. Okay, so now at the start you already know the does user wants to sign up, it has a false value, so we are on the login by default. Now if the user tap, okay, we have to do something here. That value, cut this, Control X, we have to add it inside the set state like this. Please make sure to add it inside a set state. Now let's hard restart. So now as it has a false value, does user wants to sign up, it has a false value, so that's why we are on the login. You see the UI like this. Now the moment when I tap on it, the value changed to true. Does user wants to sign up? True. It means yes. So we are on the sign up form, and you see this sign up. Okay, it is like this. Now it is toward the sign up. If I click again, the value changed to false again, so the button comes here towards login, as you can see. And now if I click again, the value changed to true, so this button is now sign up. Sign up is active now, so we are on the sign up form.